Good day everyone, I am Meezha Fernandez, the leader of this group, and these are my members. Our topic is all about Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. Thank you.
Microsoft PowerPoint is a program that is included in the Microsoft Office suite. It is used to make presentations for personal and professional purposes. Microsoft PowerPoint is a powerful slideshow component program. It is a standard component of the company's Microsoft Office suite software and is bundled together with Word, Excel, and other office productivity tools. The program uses slides to convey information rich in multimedia. It is a presentation-based program that uses graphics videos to make a presentation more interactive and interesting. The file extensions of a saved PowerPoint presentation comprising slides and other features.
Microsoft PowerPoint was created by Robert Gaskins and Dennis Austin at a software company named Fortran Incorporated. It was released on April 20, 1987. Initially for Macintosh computers only. Microsoft acquired PowerPoint for about $40 million 3 months after it appeared. Now, what is Microsoft PowerPoint? Microsoft PowerPoint is a powerful slide show presentation program, sometimes abbreviated as PP or PPT. It is a standard component of the company's Microsoft Office suite software and is bundled together with Word, Excel, and other office productivity tools. The program uses slides to convey information rich in multimedia.
Parts of the MS PowerPoint window. The opening screen of Microsoft PowerPoint is a blank, white and gray wall called the presentation window. In this window, you will find several areas and panes through which you can design an engaging slideshows for any business presentation. Once you get started using PowerPoint, you will find it easy to color the gray presentation walls with some text, graphics, and media. Blank presentation slide pane. When PowerPoint starts, the largest window pane in the middle right is the blank presentation slide. This represents your first presentation slide or slide pane, also called the title slide. You can click to add a title and a subtitle to your presentation. The slide pane is the area your audience sees. Slides outline pane. To the left of the main slide pane is the slides outline pane. The slides outline pane allows you to see all of your presentation slides or an outline of your presentation. Switch back and forth between the views by clicking on the tabs at the top of the pane. You can click through the presentation by selecting individual slides or outline sections. Close this pane to give yourself more space by clicking on the X at the top of the pane window. To get it back, use your mouse to drag it from the far left side of the screen. Status bar. Underneath the slide and slides outline panes rests the gray status bar. In the left corner, you can see which slide you can currently working on. The right corner has the slide view buttons and the zoom control. By clicking on the slide view buttons, you can see your presentation in normal views. Slide sorter view or presentation view. The slide sorter is useful for moving slides around, while the slideshow view allows you to see what your presentation would look like full screen, as if you were presenting to an audience. Once in slideshow mode, press ESC to return to the main window. Notes pane. Above the status bar is the notes pane area. This area is used for your speaking notes about slide. The audience does not see these notes, but you can print them out well. The notes pane disappears if you close the slide's outline pane. To get it back, use your mouse to drag from the bottom of the screen. The ribbon. Tools and commands for PowerPoint are located in the ribbon. The ribbon lies above the blank presentation slide and slides outline panes and contains tabs to move between various PowerPoint tools and commands. The most frequently used commands, like adding a new slide or using different fonts, are found on the Home tab. To change the design of your slideshow, click on the Design tab. To save your presentation, click on the File tab. Title bar and quick access tools. Above the ribbon, you will see the title of your presentation in the center of the gray title bar. To the left of the title, you will see a set of buttons called Quick Access Tools. This little toolbar can be customized to hold the commands you use the most, like save, undo, and redo. 5 elements of PowerPoint. User interface. The most visible element of PowerPoint is its user interface. The screens, dialogue, boxes, buttons, panes, and other parts of the application window. The biggest part of the interface is the pane for creating and editing slide. The toolbar, called the ribbon, is another big chunk of the application window. Unlike versions of PowerPoint older than 2003, the ribbon's tabs may change depending on the command you're running. For example, if you insert an arrow shape on the slide, the ribbon will display a new tab, Drawing Tools. This tab is filled with previously unavailable command for formatting the arrow. Slides. The slides is the PowerPoint element on which you insert text, graphics, audio, video, and animations. You can create new slides by pressing Ctrl-M or by clicking New Slides. On the Home tab, delete slides by selecting them in PowerPoint's left pane and then pressing the Delete key. Arrange slides by dragging them in the slide thumbnail pane. Change slide dimension by clicking the Page Setup button on the Design tab. Content. PowerPoint's content types include static text and graphics, audio, video, and animation created inside PowerPoint itself. Most of the commands for creating content are on the Insert tab. For example, the Media Clips group has a movie option for importing videos. Use the Animation tab for creating new animations, such as entrance and exits effects on a slide's graphics and text. Formatting. Formatting commands are the PowerPoint element with which you decorate the content on your slide. The Home tab, for example, has many of the same formatting commands as Microsoft Word, including character, level, tools such as bold and paragraph level, tools that include align text left. Another tab, Design, has a group of commands called Themes that let you apply font and color changes to all the slides in your presentation at once. Presentation playback. The final slide presentation will be the only PowerPoint element that your audience sees. If you've saved the presentation with the extension PPSX, in that case, clicking the PPSX files brings up the presentation directly and not the PowerPoint interface you used to create the presentation. But if you save the presentation with the PPTX extension, the PowerPoint interface will appear. If PowerPoint is installed on the computer without the main PowerPoint application can still run PowerPoint presentations by using Microsoft free PowerPoint views.
The advantage of PowerPoint, it can be used virtually anywhere. Put your presentation on a USB flash drive or in any cloud storage app, and you will have your PowerPoint presentation at hand anytime. It is also included in standard professional settings, so with your user license, you can access your presentation from anywhere. Number 2, it is a collaborative solution. Work from home is now normal thing to do. Tools that provide solution from working together with your team, even if you're in different location, are in high demand. PowerPoint adapted to this situation and with its online cloud storage. You can now work on presentation at the same time or work on the same presentation without sending it to each other. Number 3, you can choose to create your own design or use existing one. PowerPoint offers you full control over your slides, appearance, and you have the freedom to customize your presentation with your own design. It is easy to modify and play with the elements given by the software. You can create the perfect presentation for yourself. Multiple uses and adaptable and perspective tool is how our founder described PowerPoint in a previous article. This is because this software is not only for presentation, even though it is most known for them, but also for other types of materials such as flyers, marketing materials, GIFs, videos, or CVs. We do we do PowerPoint infographics, our social media posts, and presentation for clients. Number 5, export in different formats. With PowerPoint, you can export your materials in other formats than PPTX. We talked previously about all the types of materials you can create in this software, and for them, it offers alternative of saving you work. Number 6, it facilitates an effective way of communication with the audience. Most of the time, PowerPoint is used for presenting to a larger audience. A few things have changed in 2020, but a Zoom presentation looks just as good, and as it is easier to be projected. Choose your communication style. Do you want to rely more on images, text, or videos? All of them can be easily integrated into PowerPoint. Number 7, you can insert multimedia formats. Visual are the key in PowerPoint. Images and videos help you explain your ideas better and in an engaging way in any presentation. There are some basic sounds that you can use or insert your own audio for desired effect. Number 8, extremely efficient tool once you get familiar with the software. There are all kinds of features that you can use to become an expert in PowerPoint. We can even name 84 shortcuts that will change the way you use it and will also save you a lot of time. Number 9, it is accessible for all categories of users. Most of the time, employees, staffs have already the Microsoft license of their work computers with PowerPoint included. Also, universities acquire the suite so students and teachers can reach out and use them.
Disadvantages of PowerPoint presentation. high risk of technical issues. It can happen anytime. There are a lot of variables that can intervene when you are about to use PowerPoint for presenting. Your computer can stop working, get an update right before you start, and lose your power in the middle of presentation. And there are also the connectivity issue. Do you use HDMI, VGA, or do you have an adapter? And there's also the projector not working. The second disadvantage is overuse of information. After you accommodate with the software, it becomes very easy to get lost in all the options you have. How much text is too much? Are there enough images? What fonts to use and how many fonts to use? By adding a lot of things, you will lose sight of the purpose of the presentation. The third disadvantage is predisposal to death by PowerPoint. PowerPoint presentations are very common in conference, business meetings, and also in schools. Therefore, your audience has seen quite a lot of presentation before yours. You need to catch your audience attention from beginning with your presentation looks or the way of presenting. Otherwise, they will be bored and won't listen to your presentation. Make sure you have enough time to prepare for your PowerPoint materials. A good presentation with fine speech will hit the targets. Number 4 disadvantage. Presenters rely too much on the slides. Sometimes when you are too focused on preparing the slides, you may have forget to actually prepare to deliver the presentation, and you will end up reading from the slides. The audience wants to hear more from the speaker than what is presented on the slides. They could have looked over the presentation themselves. The fifth disadvantage is overuse of presentations. There are situations when you get so used to the tool that you will start making a presentation for everything. Every report or status will become easier to do in PowerPoint for you, but it won't be that fun for the colleagues and will cost you time.
Importance of PowerPoint. Microsoft PowerPoint is powerful, easy to use that allows presenters to translate complex ideas, factors, or figures into easily digestible visuals. Visual presentation of information activate the right hemisphere of the brain, which allows viewers to interpret, expand, and engage with what they're seeing. Presenters can use PowerPoint to simplify complex concepts, data, or figures into understandable visualizations.
I will tell you how does the PowerPoint work. So, how does the PowerPoint work? A PowerPoint presentation works like a slide or to shows to convey a message or a story. You to break it down into slide. Think of each as a slide as a canvas for pictures and words to help you to tell your story. Or another explanation guide to really understand the PowerPoint presentation works. The PowerPoint presentation works is a program to allow you to create a dynamic slide into the presentation. And this is include animation, narration, image and videos in everyone. So like you are showing pictures, animation in the screen to understand the people na nakikita nila.
Benefits of PowerPoint. 1. An invaluable visual tool for classroom. If there is a PowerPoint, it helps us students and even teachers because we can see all directly and present it visually what the teacher or the student is discussing. 2. Facilitates effective e-learning and distance education. As modular or online learning is currently our mode of teaching and learning, teacher can use PowerPoint to give their student video presentation for them to understand more about the lessons, even if they are far from each other. 3. Customize templates for comfortable learning. Making a presentation through PowerPoint can give you freedom to express one's idea. 4. Compatibility with third-party education tools. Aside from the maker and the receiver, just like between teacher and student, PowerPoint can also be seen by a third party or other people because it can easily be accessed because it is in soft copy wherein it can easily be shown or even shared, transferred from one to another. 5. Development in-depth knowledge. It helps us explain through visual effect which makes us understand more about what is the topic presented. 6. Promotes interactive studies in PowerPoint. We can make anything and easily change it, like making it as just barely photo presentation or with video, which as a millennial, we barely or even haven't gone to a library. Our interest is now in technology. 7. Develops confidence in students. In making PowerPoint presentation, we present it in our own perspective. In a way we want others to view that they may understand it. 8. Ease of use for students and teachers. It is because PowerPoint presentation is accessible, can be shared through Google Classroom, Google Meet, and etc. And it is easily be done but with the proper knowledge on the topic that must be discussed. 9. Up-to-date features. As globalization grows, there is continuous innovation. That is why even PowerPoint is diversified or needed to be upgraded, to be more appreciated, and not to be like a cliche. 10. Increase attention span of students. As we live in technology, we students are more interested in accessible and easily and direct visualization. That is why PowerPoint makes us be more interested to look at it.
Comparison. PowerPoint comes with a comparison layout that helps you to show a comparison between two different text box. However, if you need compare tables, then you can search two tables side by side. To click the review tab to compare PowerPoint presentation, expand the compare group if necessary. Select the compare option. Negative to and select the presentation you want to compare to the one that if correctly open, select the merge option.
PowerPoint price. Pricing details provided by vendor. Buy alone or as part of the Microsoft 365 suites for $6.99. Application stand one-time license $109.99. Microsoft Office bundle one-time license from $139.99. 30 days trial for free. Can I purchase just PowerPoint? Yes, you can buy standalone version of Word, Excel, and PowerPoint for Mac or PC. Go to the Microsoft Store and search for the app you want. You can also get a one-time purchase or a subscription version of Visio or Project available for PCs only. Is Microsoft PowerPoint free? As some of you may be asking, the good news that you can access several of Microsoft 365 apps online for free. If you don't need the entire toolkit, including Word, Excel, PowerPoint, OneDrive, Outlook, Calendar, and Skype.
Capable program for creating slideshow is Microsoft PowerPoint. It comes packaged with Word, Excel, and other Office productivity tools as part of company Microsoft Office suite software. Slides are used in the program to provide multimedia-rich information. You may build electronic slideshows that look professional with other PowerPoint, PPT, presentation graphic software tool. PowerPoint allows you to create presentation from scratch or from a template on your PC, Mac, or mobile device. Include text, picture, artwork, and videos using PowerPoint Designer. Pick a published layout.
That's the end of our discussion. If you have questions or clarification, let us know by commenting on the comment section. Thank you!